Good evening, Chicago, 25th day of Sephira. As we head into tonight's sunset is at 7:47 p.m., with nightfall around 8:13 to 8:14 p.m. Hatsos, midday and midnight, is at 12:48. Tomorrow morning, dawn is at 4:40 a.m., earliest Taliesin to Tefillin is 4:49, and sunrise is at 5:52 a.m. For tomorrow's Zamanim, latest Kriyat Shema is 8:44 according to the Magen Abraham, and 9:20 according to the Gra and Baal HaTanya. Sof Zaman Tefillah is 10:06 according to the Magen Abraham, and 10:30 according to the Gra and Baal HaTanya. Earliest Mincha is 1:23 p.m., Plag is 6:18 p.m., and sunset tomorrow evening is 7:47 p.m. Now, let's talk weather. Chicago has been quiet this evening, with scattered clouds and a steady east to east-southeast wind. Some low clouds over far northeast Illinois should drift towards southern Wisconsin overnight. But the main weather story is Monday. The National Weather Service in Chicago is watching a potentially active severe weather setup for Monday into Monday evening. Severe thunderstorms are possible, with all hazards on the table: large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. The greatest severe threat looks to be south of the Kankakee and Illinois River valleys, but heavy rain and localized flooding could become a concern across a wider part of the area. The setup is complicated. A storm system moving through Iowa with strong upper-level support will help storms develop to our west and southwest. The big question is how much thunderstorm activity forms overnight and Monday morning before the main event. That early activity could lay down boundaries and affect how far north unstable air can get. There are a few possible scenarios. If there is a lot of thunderstorm activity overnight into Monday morning, the main severe threat may stay farther south, with northern Illinois seeing more elevated storms and maybe some hail. If there is some morning activity, a boundary could set up across central Illinois. Storms near that boundary Monday afternoon could become severe, especially in the southern part of the Chicago forecast area. That includes a risk for supercells, large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. If there is little to no morning activity, the severe threat could push farther north. Storms may start as supercells west of the Mississippi River, then grow into a line across Illinois late Monday afternoon and evening. That would increase concern for damaging winds and embedded tornadoes. For O'Hare and Midway, showers and thunderstorms are expected from late Monday morning through Monday evening. The highest thunder chances look to be later in the afternoon and evening. Timing is still uncertain, so expect updates Monday morning and during the afternoon. Winds are also a major part of the story. Southeast winds increase Monday morning and become gusty. By late afternoon and evening, winds may turn southerly and could gust over 35 knots, especially if storms do not disrupt the wind field. That could create aviation crosswind issues, particularly at O'Hare. Rainfall is also a concern. Moisture levels will be very high for late April, and if several rounds of storms move over the same areas, localized flooding could develop. Bottom line, tonight is quiet, but Monday is a weather-aware day. Keep multiple ways to receive warnings, especially if you'll be traveling, working outdoors, or driving during the late afternoon and evening. The strongest severe weather threat is favored south of Chicago, but storms, heavy rain, gusty winds, and changing conditions are possible across the region. That's your Chicago weather update for Sunday evening, the 25th day of Sephira. Stay alert, stay safe, and have a good evening.